This is my answer to question number 7. So the 3 neural adaptations that we're going to see, at least we're going to talk about in this. There's 4 of them, but we'll talk about the 3. So the first one that we're going to talk about is motor unit firing rate. Then we'll talk about motor unit recruitment, then motor unit synchronization. The last one is going to be the inhibition of the Golgi tendon, but we're only going to talk about the first 3. So motor unit firing rate. This is the rate at which motor units they're going to send signals during voluntary contractions, and it's calculated in pulses per second. These ones adapt to resistance training. They're going to be able to fire quicker, and they're going to be able to contract the muscles at a quicker rate, help contract the muscles at a quicker rate. Second one we're going to talk about is motor unit recruitment. So this is the number of motor units that are recruited. Part of its recruitment relates to the size. Smaller size motor units are going to be recruited first. Bigger fibers are going to be recruited last. Another component of motor unit recruitment is the greater the number of motor units that are activated, the greater number of muscle fibers that are activated, which means the greater amount of force to be produced. What that means, say, in relation to like why that matters in relation to resistance training and the adaptations that happen are when an individual trains resistance training, they're going to be able to recruit more motor units, and that's going to allow them to produce greater force than, say, somebody who's untrained. And then the last one we're going to talk about is motor unit synchronization. This is just the way that motor units all fire in unison. And this relates to resistance training and the adaptations that happen during resistance training, in the way that the greater the synchronization and like the more motor units that are synchronized, the greater the force that can be produced, the quicker muscles can contract, all of that fun stuff.